Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. Are you trying to find a CIT Bank branch near you? You're not alone. Even though CIT Bank is known for online banking, sometimes we still need to visit a physical branch. In this video, we'll tell you where CIT Bank is located in states like California, Florida, New York, Illinois, and many more across the United States. If you've been searching for CIT Bank locations nearby, this video will definitely help you out. If you are living in any state in the US and want to find a CIT Bank location, we're going to tell you about a very useful tool. You'll find the link to this tool in the description. It's called the Bank Branch Locator. It even shows a map of the US, and you can find the address of all the bank branches across the country from here. To find CIT Bank's location, you need to click on letter C from the A to Z alphabet list shown there. Or you can simply type the bank's name in the search bar. Let's type CIT Bank. As soon as we type it, CIT Bank appears below. This is the bank whose branches or locations you are trying to find. It's a national bank and has 0 branches. That means it does not have any physical branches. However, if there's something important that requires you to visit a branch, you can get the information from First Citizens Bank. You can visit your nearest First Citizens Bank branch to get details, because currently CIT Bank is a part of First Citizens Bank. To search for the nearest First Citizens Bank branch, click on the letter F on the Bank Branch Locator and scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see the First Citizens Bank logo there. It has 534 branches in 21 states. Click on it. Once you click, you'll see the names of almost all the states and the number of branches in each. Click on the state where you live, and you can get details and addresses of all branches in that state. For example, when I click on Arizona and scroll down, I can also see all the branches in Arizona on the Google map. When I scroll further down, I can also see their addresses listed there. So in this way, you can go to First Citizens Bank for any inquiry related to CIT Bank. Apart from this, CIT Bank's headquarters is in California, and you can find the address on CIT Bank's official website. Pause our video here to note down the address if you'd like.